In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT Plus completely for free with $0, no dime. This is a legal way of you using ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT Plus is the premium version of ChatGPT. It has basically all the pro features of ChatGPT, helping you to solve complex problems, have long chats over multiple sections, create more images faster without limit, produce and share video on Shora, write codes and build apps with coders, and lots more that you can do with this ChatGPT Plus. You're not going to spend a cent or dime. It's completely free. For this video, we are going to use our phone for this demonstration. First, you need to open your browser, then type ChatGPT on your address bar. Now, the moment you type ChatGPT, you just need to be sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account. And how do you know that you've logged into your ChatGPT account? You can click here and you see the name of your account at this end. You can see that I'm already logged into my ChatGPT account. So do well to log into your ChatGPT account. Now, if you look at this interface, you will see free offer. Now click on this free offer. Once you click on this free offer, you will see that ChatGPT is offering the ChatGPT Plus completely for free for 1 month. You see, with this, you can have all these features enabled as you use your ChatGPT. If you've not used ChatGPT Plus before, give this a try and you will see it performs more faster than the free version. You have more things to do with this ChatGPT Plus Pro version and a lot more that you can solve with all of this. You can see it helps you solve complex problems. If you look at all of this, it's down to write codes and build apps with coders. You see, all of these things are the features you stand to enjoy with ChatGPT Plus. Simply click on claim free offer. Now, once you click on that, you will see it is getting all those features ready for you to use. You can see from this very place, it says start your free plus trial. Well, you are going to put your card details, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can still cancel it at any time you wish to cancel it. You can see you just simply need to put all of these details, and the moment you put all of them, you can just click on subscribe. Now, I'm going to demonstrate this to you from this very end. I just need to put my card details. Now, doing this, I just need to fill my name here and fill all my address and the rest. You can see I'm done filling that. Now, the moment you are done, you simply click on this subscribe. And within some few minutes, you discover that you're now subscribed to ChatGPT Plus version.